Well, Blender uses keyframes as well. So no mystery there, no problem there. The only thing we need to know is how those keyframes are actually created. All right, simple enough. Right now, we are looking at our timeline here. And the timeline has our start frame, our end frame, our frame position, playback controls, and all kind of stuff. Here, there are some keyframe buttons. We're going to ignore them for a while, okay? So don't be distracted. Keep your attention on the object. Starting from frame 1, I want to create a keyframe for the position and the rotation of this object, the text. The way I do it is by selecting the object and pressing the key I for insert key. If you don't remember it, if you look at the object menu, insert keyframe is here as well, and you can see the shortcut, the I key. Okay? Under Blender, you have basically the option to create keyframes for specific parameters. The location or lock, which is the equivalent of After Effects positions parameter, the rotation, and the scale. You can manipulate these parameters, the keyframes for these parameters independently, or you can use some combos, like in this case, the lock rot, which is the location and rotation. And that's what we want to do. So we click on this. It seems like nothing happened, but if you move your cursor here from the timeline, you can use the mouse or you can use the keys, the arrow keys, like left and right, like I'm using now. And you see that there is a yellow bar here. Now, if I move my mouse, my current timeline indicator here, now you can see from the viewport that the name of the object actually is in yellow because we snap to that frame and that frame has a keyframe, and so Blender let us know that we are right there. So if we need to change the keyframe, we are in the right spot. All right, let's see. I'm going to try to move this a few seconds ahead. Let's try about 96, calculating at 24 frames per second. And I'm going to rotate it, have the mouse here in the top view, keep things simple.